Let's discuss about abstraction in this particular video. So I have created four different products of two different types, electronics and mobile, and I need to add these products to the cart one by one. And let's go to this cart page. And here the cart is designed in such a way so that it can accept or allow any type of product to be added, right? And here we can see the order summary, the items count, the subtotal, and we do not have any discounts applied at, which we can discuss in the next video using polymorphism. Okay, so let's replicate this same thing or the functionality using Java code. Let's go to the IntelliJ, and I have all these products already created from my side in handy. And now I need to create a cart class. I said right in the beginning, so we need to design this cart class in such a way so that it can handle any type of products. So I can simply keep this as product. I can simply create an object like this. Okay, so now if you can see, this cart is having this list, and to this list we can add any type of product, whether it can be electronics or mobile or even more. If you see this, electronics is extending the product and mobile is also extending the product. That's the reason to this cart, inside this collection we can add electronics product or mobile. So now let's have one method called add product functionality, and we can use the products list to add that product. And in the UI you can see it has some display of each and every product detail along with the items count and the total price. Let's have that functionalities as well as a part of the cart class. So first of all, I'll just calculate the total price. So double price, get total price. I need to loop through all the products like this using enhanced for loop, and I can simply uh, I need to have one variable declared outside this loop, and then probably I can use this total price to calculate the total by looping through each and every product, and I can return this total price from here. We can use this get total price inside the show cart method over here, and I can simply loop through all these products. And if you can see in the cart, I have this display info first, right? So I can use product dot display info, which we have already created, right? So, and we have something called the items count and the subtotal or the total price, whatever, right? So I can simply use the sysout to have that products count and the subtotal. Okay, or I can simply keep this as total price. Okay, so now I can simply go to the main class and I can create the cart class object. And using this cart, I can simply add the electronics product. I can simply add the mobile product. Now I can go ahead and call the show cart method over here, right? So now I can run this application and I can show you all the details over here. So the first product, the second, the third, the fourth one, along with the products count and the total price, the same way, right? So we have not tested this one in properly. Like, let's say if you just go to this one and I can simply declare this as electronics, and I can simply accept electronics here. So if you just go to the main, so here I can simply comment out these two parts, but still it has to allow, because we have designed the card to accept only electronics here. But the problem is the electronics one is a type of product. If I just replace this with the electronics like this will allow. Okay. The type of this method is electronics. I can not allow any other type, right? So if I just go here and I can simply keep this product over here, and I will go to the cart and I will allow all the products which are extending the product template or the blueprint. So I can simply have this. And if I just go to the main, this is allowed. Okay. So in the next video, let's discuss about polymorphism in detail so that I will explain all this kind of object creation, why we have this electronics on the right side and why we have the product on the left side. So let's discuss that in detail in the next video.